Guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new. Today I'm going to be doing the Petit Vour box for July. So I know it's the end of July. I got this really late. I don't know what happened. They sent me an email like early in the month and that it was being shipped, and it took like 2 weeks to ship it. So I don't know what the deal was, but so I just like literally just cut the tape. I didn't even look inside of it. So it'll be a surprise for both of us. So here is the little card that comes in it. I keep these, like I keep the most recent one on my desk, and I use it to like fan to dry my setting spray because I was using a palette and that's kind of heavy, but works pretty good. Right away, just looking at the list on the inside of the card, it's going to be stuff that I'm going to like, so I'm really happy about that because last month I was thinking about getting rid of it, but you know, if it's stuff I'm going to use, like I have this little thing on my desk and I put all the little samples in it, and it's like getting full because of stuff that I haven't used. So I need to like go through that every couple days and like use something just so I'm not letting them sit there and wasting them. So the first thing right on top is this Lila B Lip and Cheek Duo. It's long wearing yet creamy moisturizing. Innovative formulation provides healthy buildable color, perfect for day into night. So it's these little thingies on a sample card. These are really nice. Urban Decay used to do that with their lip products, and I discovered some new colors that way, so we'll try this. I just always destroy the packaging on these. So these little... Definitely probably not my kind of colors, like maybe this one. I don't wear red and I don't wear bright pink, so yeah, might have to change that though to try these out and see if they have any more colors if I'm interested in trying it. So yeah, I will, should I open one? Yeah, I think I will. Just because I feel like I don't open stuff and try it. It feels really nice. Some like cream products are really sticky and gross, but this one is pretty nice. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it is like a cream to powder, which I really appreciate, especially if it's going to be a cheek product. And it kind of feels like, if you've ever tried Makeup Forever, they had a cream to powder blush that I used to like, but Makeup Forever is not cruelty-free, so it feels a lot like that, and it kind of looks similar to the color that I had from them, actually, but it was more of a peach, I think. So, I'm not going to open them all and swatch them because it's going to dry out. There's no way to, like, really reseal it. It's kind of sticky. And that was the only color thing in here, so I'll just get into the other stuff. They usually put in, like, one color makeup product and then other stuff. So this is a Little Barn Apothecary Aloe and Rosewater Balancing Mist. This is lightly mist over face post-cleansing and as a precursor to face oils and serums. So it's kind of like a toner, but not really, I guess. I've heard of this brand before. And last month I got a spray toner thing too, so I appreciate that they're in a spray because it's a little bit easier to get out. But yeah, I'll definitely try that. I'm going to smell it because rosewater. The rose is very strong in that, so. Yep, Little Barn Apothecary Aloe and Rosewater Balancing Mist. And then, I'm so excited that I got something from Osya because I have heard nothing but great things about their stuff. And this is the Essential Hydrating Oil. Well, the reason I haven't tried them is because they're a little pricey. It says, apply to face to hydrate and plump skin. I've never heard of many of these ingredients. Oh, it's a roller ball. That's kind of funky. I would have thought that it would be in some kind of a pump. It smells very herbally. Like tea. But I'll give that a try. I'm into moisturizers. because it's hard to find one. I need separate ones for like the winter and the summer because my skin is like a desert in the winter, but in the summer I get kind of oily, so I can't use the same one. So I'm like trying to find different options for each. So maybe if this is too much for me in the summer, it'll be good in the winter. And it's sank in really fast on my hand, so it must be a good sign that it'll be good for summer. And I was just talking about Ursa Major and my empties. I used up one of their face washes. And these are the 4-in-1 Essential Face Wipes, the 5-pack. So it looks like they're going to be individually wrapped. Yes. This is awesome because, I mean, not great for the planet, but good for traveling or putting in your purse. Because if you have a pack, like a multi-pack of them, they dry out if you don't use them all. So it says this 4-in-1 face wipe cleans, exfoliates, soothes, and hydrates anytime to reboot dull, tired, or oily skin. Perfect for sprucing up at the office, after a ride, or when you're on the road. So this sounds like something that I would actually use, because if I'm like at work and I'm not wearing makeup, my face like kind of feels dirty and oily at the end of the day. But one of these fixes all that because it's cleanser, exfoliator, hydrator, and soothes your skin. So yeah, I'll definitely give one of these a go, and I'll see if they like sell these. I'm assuming they sell these full size. It says they're $7. So yeah, I'm assuming they sell them like this. So on the packaging it says what the full size cost, so I don't know. But that's it for this month. Let me know what you think. If you're gonna get the box, if you have gotten it, or what you think of the box in general. I don't know. I think I'll keep it for one more month. I'll give them one more try. And test out some of the products and see, you know, how they go. So this, I'm kind of digging this blush lip thingy. I don't know. But yeah. So anyways, give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was helpful. Let me know if you want to see any other videos dedicated to this, or really any other videos at all that you have any suggestions for, and I will see you then. Bye.